Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about therapeutics for pathology of blood and urine, part 1. So, blood. Blood is a connective tissue, fluid in nature, circulates in closed system of vessel. Total volume approximately 6 liters. pH of blood is 7.4, slightly alkaline. Then specific gravity is about 1.055. So this contains this is artery, this is white blood cell, platelets, and red blood cells. Functions of blood. Blood helps in the transport of oxygen and nutrients. It also helps in the transport of waste product. Then carries hormones from glands, redistributes water, contains AB and WBC, that is antibodies, protect body from diseases. Clotting of blood protects against hemorrhage. Composition of blood. Blood contains plasma and cellular elements. So cellular element contains RBC, WBC, and platelet. So plasma is 55%. Then white blood cells and platelets are less than 1%, and red blood cells are 45%. So if you withdraw the blood, then if you centrifuge this, then we can separate the blood as in the form of plasma. Then this is buffy coat, and this is erythrocytes or form elements or cellular elements. Plasma. It occupies 55% of the blood fluid component of blood, in which the cellular elements are suspended. Composition of plasma: water 91%, non-diffusible constituents are albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, then enzymes. Diffusible constituents are hormones and vitamins. Anabolic constituents are glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, triglycerides. Electrolytes are sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Catabolic products are urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Erythrocytes or RBC, red blood cells. Circular biconcave disc shape, no nucleus, contains respiratory pigments are hemoglobin. Functions are carry oxygen, then acid base balance, then produces from bone marrow. Normal count is 4.5 to 5 million. This is heme, then hemoglobin, and this is erythrocytes. Erythrocytes or RBC, this is side view 2.5 micrometer or micron. This is top view 7.5 micron diameter. Diseases of erythrocytes: polycythemia, iron deficiency anemia, megaloblastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, hemolytic anemia, and thalassemia. Polycythemia: increases in the number of RBC is called as polycythemia. Causes are high altitude, congenital diseases, hyperplasia of bone marrow. Manifestation are headache, weakness, tiredness, red face and red eyes, thromboembolic complications, hemorrhagic complications. Iron deficiency anemia, microcytic anemia. This is also called as microcytic anemia. Decrease in hemoglobin content. Iron is necessary for hemoglobin synthesis. Symptoms are weakness, tiredness, shortness of breath. Diagnosis are paleness of tongue, conjunctiva of nails, estimation of hemoglobin. Megaloblastic anemia, also called as macrocytic anemia. Defective maturation of RBCs. Maturation uh, uh, for maturation, vitamin B12 and folic acid is necessary, characterized by megaloblast. Symptoms are glossitis, anorexia, diarrhea, loss of weight, paresthesia, weakness of limbs, retrovalvular neuritis, hemorrhagic manifestations. Then pernicious anemia, absence of intrinsic factor secreted in gastric mucosa necessary for absorption of vitamin B12, maturation and development affected. Symptoms are similar to megaloblastic anemia, occurs in atrophy of gastric mucosa. Sickle cell anemia. This is a hereditary blood disorder characterized by red blood cell that assumes an abnormal rigid sickle shape, mutation in the hemoglobin gene. So this is normal blood cell RBC, and this is sickle or abnormal cell. Hemolytic anemia, anemia due to hemolysis, abnormal breakdown of red blood cells either in the blood vessels, intravascular hemolysis, or elsewhere in the body, that is extravascular. Hemolytic anemia is either inherited or acquired. Symptoms are fatigue and shortness of breath. Breakdown of red blood cells leads to jaundice and increases the risk of particular long-term complications such as gallstones and pulmonary hypertension. Thalassemia, inherited autosomal recessive blood disorder. Symptoms are iron overload, bone deformities, enlarged spleen. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate or ESR, rate at which RBC sinks to the bottom when placed in a vertical column after adding an anticoagulant. ESR determined by two methods, Westergreen method and Winthrop method. Normal values for male 5 to 15 minutes, 5 to 15 mm in 1 hour, and for female 2 to 20 mm in 1 hour. Then ESR, if increases, then anemia, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic pulmonary tuberculosis, acute myocardial infarction is diagnosed. If ESR is decreases, then polycythemic vera and CHF cardiac heart failure is concluded. Leukocytes or WBC. These are colorless, contains nucleus larger than RBC. Normal count is 4,000 to 11,000 per cubic mm. Then it is again classified as neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, and lymphocyte. Diseases of leukocyte: leukocytopenia, leukocytosis, leukopenia, leukemia, eosinophilia. Leukocytosis: increase in the total WBC count above 11,000 per cubic mm of blood. Causes are pyogenic infections, myeloid leukemia, myocardial infarction, acute hemorrhage, malignancy of liver or intestine. Leukopenia: decreases in total WBC count below 4,000 per cubic mm of blood. Causes are infection, aplastic anemia, malignant lymphoma, multiple myeloma, sensitivity to drug, that is for sulfa drugs. Leukemia: abnormal increase in the production of WBC. Malignant disorder. Causes are radiation, examples are X-rays, chemical like benzene, drug used in cancer, retroviruses, genetic disorders. Eosinophilia: increases in the number of eosinophils. Causes are allergic asthma, skin diseases, drug allergy, parasitic infections. Thank you so much.